how are you?
Oh, just a little chilly.
Yeah, we came here to do picnic, I guess.
What kind of picking?
I guess whatever. What? I wouldn't mind doing like some kohlrabi, maybe some peas, definitely some broccoli.
I will let you guys know. I love that you have good.
Yeah, and I grabbed my little raincoaty thing.
I would honestly put them on because it is quite mucky in our view.
I like rainbow colors too. And then I wouldn't mind maybe like one bikini. I think I wouldn't mind just grabbing like maybe a couple of the little.
Yep. If you have any questions, let us know.
Sounds perfect.
We'll just be the ones shivering in the beach patch.
Sounds good.
It's quite chilly.
It is. I figured it was a good day for nobody to be here.
You are correct. There you go.
Now it can look like Coraline. Okay, well, I'm ready. And she said we could take a wagon if we wanted.
Pull from the bottom. I should have put it up so it didn't slide.
I'm smart. So that, I think, is cauliflower. This is the only one that's broccoli. That one seems okay-ish size over there. Oh, this one's a good one, right? Pretty good. Broccoli. Do you like my butt? A little bit of potato. Oh, look at some of the reds. Not a lot. We can come back to them because that'll make my face dirty. So that'll be nice. Yay! In we go. I guess some of this stuff is relatively nice colored, eh? This one's probably good right here, right? Oh, they have more kohlrabi over here. This one looks like a decent sized one, and it doesn't look like it's separating that yet. I should probably de-leaf it a little bit. Kohlrabi. Oh, I definitely just got mud in my shoe. Okay, and then I guess on what? Back Kohlrabi. They look really washed out. Oh, dokies. I got more money in my goddamn shoe. Here's some smallish ones. I get 2 peas. This is a good workout.
How'd we do, guys?
I think we did pretty good. Alright, well, I think this might be the end of the veggie picnic experience because it's really wet. So I love you all. Bye.